The question is, while preparing a mixture of ortho and para nitrophenols by steam distillation, name the isomer which will be steam volatile. Give reasons. So, what is nitrophenol? I will just draw a figure. Basically, we all know what is a phenol, okay? So, this is a phenol. And we will just add a nitro group, okay? In this question, it is asking ortho and para. So, I will draw this is orthonitrophenol, okay? This is orthonitrophenol. And this is paranitrophenol. Okay, so only this is nitrophenol, orthonitrophenol, and this is paranitrophenol. Okay. Now, due to the intermolecular H bonding in paranitrophenol, it gets tightly bonded with water, but orthonitrophenol has intramolecular H bonding, hence it is steam volatile. Okay, I will draw the figure again. I will try to show you what does it mean. This is phenol. This is OH. Okay. This is NO2. So this is orthophenol. Okay, orthophenol. What happens that in this compound there is an intramolecular H bonding. What is intramolecular H bonding? Intramolecular H bonding means within the same compound, if there is a H bonding, it is known as intramolecular H bonding. Now I will draw. Yes, I will draw the paranitrophenol. One minute. This is OH. This is NO2. This is OH. This is NO2. Basically, this is paranitrophenol. Okay, para. So what happens is that in this compound there is intermolecular H bonding. This will produce an H bonding with the another compound. This will produce H bonding with the another compound. So this is an intermolecular H bonding because this H bonding does not it is not observed within the same compound. Okay, and we all know that intermolecular H bonding is much stronger than the intramolecular H bonding. So it will this compound para compound will get tightly bonded with water, but orthonitrophenol has intramolecular H bonding, so it is not that strong and hence it is steam volatile.